Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. We got an interesting video. We're going to talk a little bit about some Demko knives. I want to chat to you about 3 that I have and just my thoughts about them, and kind of wrap up a sort of semi-review of some scales too that we're going to talk about. So let's do that. We're going to be talking about the Demko AD20 and 20.5. These are all Demko knives, Demko designs. We have 3 amazing ones here. We have the AD20 XXX that's loaned to me, my AD20 Slim that I own but I've sold recently, and this is in the Rockscale Design USA made custom titanium scales, and then AD20.5 in the Rockscale Design USA custom scales as well. This is the made in Taiwan version. This one here is in 20 CV blade steel. This guy right here is in CPM S90 blade steel, right? And this is the thinner grind, thinner. It's a slim. So, and also we have the Rockscale Design thinner scales as well. So it feels really nice in hand if you thought some of them were kind of obnoxiously big. And then of course you have the big giant boy, the big boy here. This is the XXX, and this is a loaner, but man, this thing is hilariously ridiculous, but I love it. It is so much fun to get a chance to check out. I don't know if I'd ever own a knife because it's a lot of money, right? We're looking at $1,000, $1,100 here for this one. We're looking at a $450, $425 knife with just a JG10 scales that this came with. I did put skiffs in there. I put these USA made custom scales at about another $250. You got a $50 backspacer. You can anodize that. Regular clip here, because this is a thicker clip than the regular one, but you could get a Lynch Northwest clip. They're a little thinner. I don't know if people would want a thinner one because it's a bigger boy, but still very cool. It is the slim version, so this technically is the thin one. We'll talk about that in a second. These USA made Rockscale Design scales are pretty great in weight relief. If you look on the inside, you can see a lot of weight relief going on. And of course, you got the Sharklock. And what I love about these guys, look at the cutaway to the Sharklock as opposed to here. So you can see there's more, you can get more of your finger in there to open and close it. So that's really nice for disengaging and opening and closing a knife. I think that's really great. But this one's wide enough that it kind of works. It's not too terrible, actually. It's actually pretty comfortable because it's so wide. So this one's not an issue. If my finger was either super skinny and I can fit it in there, that'd be great, but it doesn't, right? So then you've got this little guy. Definitely the cutaway is really, really helpful. I think that's super, super helpful. All right, this is the AD20 Slim. Now, we did an unboxing. We did an install. These were given to me by Rockscale Design. We wanted to talk about the scales. These are phenomenal. If you get an AD20 Slim, I highly recommend. I think any Sharklock is going to just be so much more enjoyable with Rockscale Design scales. The reason why is because this cutaway on here makes all the difference in the world getting a big old meaty finger in there. You can easily get in there. You're not dealing with the very tip that after a while gets a little tender. You can get in there. You can fidget with this knife all day long. I love that. Beautiful, nice sharp edge. S90V, of course, is great. You've got the jimping up here as well. That's aggressive. You can choke up if you wanted to. This one does have the curved handle, which is very similar to the XL, right? So you see that. There is a version where they call it the straight handles. This would be equivalent to the straight handles. So you can see how it's nice and flat. What's nice about that, if you got big old meaty fingers and you're really close to the edge, you can still kind of be up on the edge without letting it squeeze you in. What I find over here is that sometimes I'm squeezed in. If my hands were any bit bigger, they would be uncomfortable. I wouldn't enjoy this knife as much. It just wouldn't be as enjoyable for sure. So there is that. I think that's cool. I think it's cool. All right, titanium scales, beautifully well done. Rockscale Design, highly recommend it. By the way, if you're considering using them, use my code RNKRSD. RNKRSD saves you 10% on the scales. Absolutely recommend that. You will. I don't get anything out of it, but you do, and you get a little more money towards your knife and other things, right? So I think that's cool. If you decide to put Skiff Caged Bearings in there, use RNK10. All right, I'm back. Sorry, got a little phone call there. I don't really know where we're at now. All right, so yeah, I like these because several reasons. I love the cutaway. I totally think I would love to see Demko do more of that with the linerless, really, because it just, for big old meaty fingers, it's not. If you got a little itty bitty stubby fingers, which, you know, a ½ inch thick callus on the very tip, then I guess you're fine. Not most of us do, because we don't carry Demkos all the time, 24/7. Maybe some of you guys do, and that's cool. You guys are Superman. So I like that. I think that's really, really cool. What else did I like about this? The cutaway. I love the scales. The texture is really nice. The nice thing about something like this, you can anodize any color you want. And if you reach out to Rockscale Design, use RNK10 RSD, save 10%, but maybe email them ahead of time. Sometimes they normally do aluminum blast and they do a darker blast as well, but you can ask them to do a plain one. Sometimes they can even do some anodization. You might reach out to them, see if they have the bandwidth and the capability. Remember, they don't always have it, but it's definitely worth asking depending on when you ask, right? Be always a pound of sugar. Kill them with kindness, be nice, be polite, and you never know, right? Don't just, demand things, because it's not something they provide. It's something they could do sometimes when they can't, all right? So just, ask them nicely because you're a fan, right? I think it's worth it. I love the way it looks like this personally, and I'm very grateful that I had a chance to order these like this. I was patient, I waited, and there you go. But I think my favorite absolute scales on an AD20 Slim or an AD20 are going to be the Rockscale Design. I've had the original Goats. I think they're fantastic. I think they're wonderful. I've had the Demko titanium scales. I think they're wonderful. I think they're fantastic. Even this AD20 these are fantastic. They're absolutely great. No questions asked. But I really like Rockscale Design. There's so many little details on this. They just get it really, really right. And I love the fact this is a little skinnier. Makes this a really friendly EDC kind of knife, especially if you've gotten some of the AD20s that were just huge. Some are just kind of ridiculously thick and big. Like this one, I couldn't really carry this, but this is absolutely a very carryable knife. This is a great little workhorse. It's a much smaller one. I like this, and again, I like the straight handle here. I think that's great. You can get it in that one as well. I think it's cool. So anyways, my point again to point out is the AD20 Slim, I like it. I love the thinner blade shape. We're going to measure it here in just a second. I love the skinnier Rockscale Design scales. So I'm reviewing the Rockscale Design scales on an AD20 Slim because this is also a brand new backspacer for the Slim, which I think is great, so you don't have to use a standoff. You've got the thinner scales. You can see that this sticks out a little bit. Some of you guys, it may bother you, but these are chamfered all the way around, so no sharp edges. It's really nice and comfortable. It feels like it's got a little rise to it. It looks very distinct. It gives you like a little place to put your fingers. It's very symmetrical, very geometrically pleasing to me. I don't find this weird or anything like that. I like the look of it. I like the feel of it. It looks good. It looks good. I prefer it to be raised a little bit than to be depressed. I mean, now, mind you, you can get the fully flat, right there, which you could do this if you got the thicker scales. Now, these scales, I think they're still a little thicker than these scales, but the regular scales are going to be much thicker. So what are we dealing with here? I think you're dealing with, can we see it here? Did they show it here? Let me see. So 185, what are we dealing with here? 159. So definitely thinner. Then, of course, these are going to be even thinner than that. 135 or 130 thousandths of an inch. So, right, those are different ones. I do recommend Rockscale Design scales. I really like them. Matter of fact, I've had a chance to give, depending on when you see this video, if it's after or before the 12K giveaway, we might be giving I have another one of these that we might be giving away with the Rockscale Design scales as a giveaway. I think that's super cool. Again, super cool blade here. I love the XXX. I think it's cool. It was fun to check out, but comparing it to here, this is the more practical size. If you want a little more robust blade, if you like a little bigger AD20, but you don't necessarily need a gigantic one, the AD20 Slim is a great option, especially with, but if that's still too big, so AD20.5, that's a great little one. Super slim, super slender. This will work great in bike shorts and stuff like that. So just to compare the three, give you an idea what we're talking about here, let's do a quick measurement of these guys. So this is, I think, 10.7 ounces. Let's just double check. Yeah, 10.7 ounces. It's a big boy. I think this is going to be about 7 ounces, maybe a little more. No, 6 ounces. Still, I mean, definitely 40-50% lighter. Then I think this is going to be about 5 or 4. I don't know. 3.9 ounces. So you're dealing with 3.9 ounces. You're dealing with 6, so 2.1 ounces more. And then you're dealing with 10.7 ounces, which is 4.7 ounces more. So definitely a progression in weight for sure. So you're definitely going to see that. As far as I'm really reviewing right here is the AD20 Slim with a Rockscale design, but I'm just comparing it between the three since I have the three. This is a loaner, and this is the one I'm going to be my hard use everyday carry. But the AD20 is 8 and I want to say 8 and 9/16, 8 9/16 total overall length. The AD20.5 is 7 and 5/8, and then the AD20 is 9 and 5/8, right? So handle area for this one's going to be about, if you do right here, it's going to be about 3 and 5/8. If you do the choke up position back there, you got about 4 and 3/4. Here you're doing 4 and 1/4, but if you do the choke up position, you got about 5 and 1/4. Down here, you have about just over 3.5, but you can go over here because it's not as big and deep as it is here. I like that. And then the choke up position gets you about 4 1/4. So there you go. Not bad, not bad. I think we did the blade stock thickness, but we'll go ahead and do that again. So let's do that. So first of all, the big one we're dealing with, make sure you can see this. It's about 1/4 inch, 248 thousandths of an inch. So that's a big boy. The Slim, which is the thinner version of an AD20, this is 132 thousandths of an inch. So not a giant blade by all means from Demko. And then this guy is going to definitely be a much smaller blade. 126 thousandths of an inch. Still not super thin, but not super giant thick, right? So there you go. Very interesting. 3 different knives. I like, as far as owning, I like these two the most. This would be, the price and everything would be prohibitive for me, but it's fun to check out. It's fun to compare. It's fun to see how it stacks up. I would probably, unless I won the lottery, I don't think I would buy this because I'd be too busy wanting to have the funds to check out other knives. But this is definitely very doable, and I really do recommend that. So there you go. You're looking at $1,000, $1,100 knife here. You're looking at 425 to 450 here with another set of scales. You're looking at about 250, so about 675, so 725 with the skiffs and the clip. If you were to put a clip on there, let's say you did, so you're looking at about 775 maybe total here. Okay, and then here you're looking at about 250, 275 for the knife, at least with a large pivot, 20 CV. The scales here about $200, 220, whatever. So you're looking at 435. Backspacer 485. You're looking with the clip, looking at 510 with the skiffs. You're looking at about 525. So about $525, right? You're close to 800 here. You're over about 1,000, 1,100 here. So there you go. Definitely doable. And the nice thing about when you do things like this, and it's not all one piece, you can build this. You can buy the knife, pay $425, buy the scales, then you could add the skiffs later, you could add the clip later, you could add the backspacer later. You don't have to get everything all at once. You can build it out, right? It's a slow process if you want it to be. So anyways, they don't make scales for this one yet, which, I understand. It's a very limited run, right? As soon as they sell them, they sell out, and they don't make a whole bunch of them. So that is fair. All right, our EDC hard use, absolutely, and I love these scales. This absolutely becomes a great EDC hard use knife. Highly, 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 highly recommend it. It's absolutely a collection piece too. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's great. I think it's fantastic to carry, to use, to keep with you. This is going to be a fun knife for anybody. So yeah, absolutely here for sure. Handles, open and closing, they're great. Just like the AD20 XXX and the AD20.5, they're great. Open and closing, Sharklock is fun. The jimping is great. Jimping here, the jimping on here. Now, I will say the jimping on here is not as functional. I did find that the jimping on here was much more functional on the AD20.5, and the jimping on the AD20 XXX was more functional, right? But the AD20 Slim, USA made right here, that was a little soft. So if that really bothers you, you consider that. You could use this diamond nail file to make that little, go into the groove and get a little texture. You could, if that's your cup of tea. It may not be. Some people will be like, oh, I never do that. But it's fine. It's your knife. You can do with it what you want, right? So as far as that lanyard, there's a lanyard on the Rockscale design. You can order it with or without the lanyard. You can see no lanyard on this guy, and then you can see a lanyard on this guy. So if you want a lanyard, you get a lanyard. If you don't want a lanyard, you don't have to have a lanyard. So I like that option. I do. a lot, honestly. All right, ergos, action, design, flow, function. I think it's just fantastic. I love the flow, the function, all the fit and finish, especially even with Rockscale design skills. Just makes this linerless, thinner, more comfortable knife. I think it's great. As far as fidget factor, this is going to be a 7 out of 10 because of everything you can do with this guy, right? You even have middle finger reverse bonus flick on this guy. So, I mean, it's great. 7 out of 10. Just like with the AD20 XXX and the AD20.5. 7 out of 10. As far as fidgety goodness, it's 100%. I love these guys. These are great. Now, this one gets into 100% because of the Rockscale design skills. Without them, it could easily have been a 90. Honestly, that's how much of a big difference this gives. Still a great knife. I would say, depends on how sharp it is. It could have been an 85, honestly. It could be in the B range even. But these Rockscale design gives this 100. 100 absolutely for the fidgety goodness for the 7 out of 10. Is it recommended? 100% recommended. Is it a favorite? Absolutely a favorite. So much so, this is like the third AD20 that I've bought. Or second or third? Third, and this is probably the 10th or 12th AD20.5 that I bought, right? So I'm a big fan. I like them. I even like the Shark Cub. The Shark Cub is amazing too. It's a great little knife, and especially with the Rockscale design skills, absolutely phenomenal. So if you're going to get a Shark Cub, absolutely get the Rockscale design skills. Trust me, I think you would enjoy it. You may disagree with me, but I really feel like it's a worthwhile investment. So that's why I'm recommending it. That's why it's a favorite. So there you go. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you agree? You think I'm an idiot? Yeah. Do you have a different opinion, which is perfectly fine, right? Buy what you love and love what you buy. If you don't agree with me, that's okay. I'm not offended. And it's okay that you should not be offended if I don't agree with you. That's okay too, right? It doesn't mean we have to hate one another. We just respect our difference of opinions and we buy different things. That's okay. But I will celebrate your knives that bring you joy, so I hope you celebrate my knives that bring me joy, right? So there you go. All right. If you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, informative, helpful, entertaining, any of the above, would you consider hitting that like button? If you've already hit the like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button, because subscribing and liking the channel, it really does help out. Allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, enjoys the content, is part of the community. I appreciate you so very much. If you haven't already, there's a notification button as well. Maybe consider hitting that so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. Big shout out to my channel members. You do two amazing things for me. One, you encourage me by your membership, so thank you. And secondly, because your memberships, your generosity through your memberships, I can do things way sooner than I thought I could. For instance, we can do once a week budget banger giveaways. I know I've been given stuff, so that's great, but I still got to cover cost of shipping. Loaners, knives I've been loaned, I got to cover cost of shipping. Milestone giveaways, buy those things, get the cost of shipping, extras, all sorts of stuff. You guys are a huge part of that. And I want to say thank you. As a small way for me to say thank you, I want to do two amazing things for you. One, brand new channel members, email me your name and address. I can mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. I do want to do that as long as I possibly can. Secondly, all channel members are eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month we'll have two giveaways. Members, you can enter both, you can win both. I always try to make sure the members giveaway is something a little bit nicer than the budget banger giveaway. So hopefully something you enjoy winning a surprise or giving as a gift. If that sounds cool to you, there's a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers of memberships. Please don't sign up if you feel pressured, right? But if you choose to do so, thank you. Thank you so very much. And some of you guys are going to ask, yes, there's all sorts of other stuff, right? Oh, I forgot to mention. Check out in the description down below. There's a link for 3 different tiers. Would love to have you in any of those. If you sign up, cool. If you don't, no worries, right? I appreciate it. But that's my small way just to say thank you. And I want to send you all the goodness that I possibly can, because some of you guys are going to say, well, what about the emojis? What about the kazoo salutes? What about the 1 year anniversary? What about, there's more. There's always more. It's never enough, but they're my small ways to say thank you and let you know how much I appreciate you. So thank you. If you haven't already, maybe check me out over on Instagram. I do have a page over there at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.